Chichi.
Yali mu kinu.
Twawulira buwulizi akabaawo. Katulaga ngo.
Tetwaddamu ddoboozi ly'akasupa ffenna ne tutya. Abaali ne tumuneenyiwamu.
Bebekulu n'agamba.
Olwo tugumidde ku bebekulu.
Yenze bebekulu.
Oba omusajja yanyigawo bebekulu. Oba yamukola kiki twagenda owulyanga eddoboozi libula omundi gwe.
Nga batwala bebekulu. Bibirete nnyoko bibuuza Innocent Galaxy mukama waffe ne bamubajjako epaka kitalya. Munnange! Tuba tukyali awo! Tuba tukyali awo! Salvador! Yeevaayo kati neŋŋamba bano abasajja bali sirias nga tebannayingira kasooke nnoonye bwe neegweka. N'ensonga ngenda asuwa ekitaali ali nga muganda ngenda ajja kujaluka jangu bannanga obunene kibi. Nanoonya wenteeka namungi w'omuntu wange nga ndabawo. Mukitagata kyange. Musiri kasukulu posi kasukulu bali bamututte. Naye nga ndaba ajja kukibutulengwe. Ne ngamba kati muganda wange omanyi waliwo bokisi ya firiigi. Ne ngamba kaneegweko omwo nze nja kujjayo enkya.
Yogera amazima teyali bokisi ya firiigi.
Kali ki?
Kaali ka bokisi ka firiigi kaali kateete.
Neneegweko manezinga we.
Wensigise. Bwete bwe nasiika naye nga nze nninamu ekirowoozo ngambye. Olaba bali babatutte naye nga nninamu ekintu kimu. Ngamba afande ziganye ŋŋenda naye ntuula mu maaso. Situla mabega. Situla ku patro. Naye abasirikale bayingira.
Munembandi omunengo.
Abakambwe. Batya. Bakubakuba buli kimu bansanga. Mbogera Luswayiri wewe na nani? Sasa kama bali abuuza bali lukte waba batawana. Endogera tewa. Kumbe ne box gye yeekweseemu atandisuziira. Abwagirinula ne yeenya. Omusirikale n'agira bagenda okukabikkula nti ng'omukulu asitamye. Omusajja yatabuka mu Luswayiri. Waba mutoto wa nani? Amawuko. Omatiguwa. Onaweka. Wa. Muki. Wati omwana wo otwaleka. Naki. Embazi ya COVID yali ekise. Naye naba speaker. Nga tunagenda wala banna speaker. Wajja tugenzeeko mu by'okusaaga.
Ne bannanga amazima.
Bane tukubire Katonda engaleza amanyi speaker akyaliwo.
Wallahi.
Ennyonyi. Nze kati nkya kye bayita helicopter.
Kati linda sipiika owulira tunyonyolewo. Kanzijjawo tokumbuuza.
Linda tokolina babodegaadi baaliwo.
Tokano. Ndoyawakanya sani ndo bakuuma.
Ensataasa bosi walenga helicopter eyuga.
Eyuguma. Lwaki wakwata AK-47 n'okootira n'okubeka okutesasa.
Olusi musirikale.
Gwe, kanda nibujja kutubuuliremu awo. Wakola otya?
Kantubuulire. Ntawa. Wonna ayita buli mwana omwangu atumika. Tukabisira.
Obiragoye. Wena olinga ezzibu.
Nyambala byanjawulo.
Protocol. Mimi napanda komanda anasema kila siku sije kajamulia kwa mkuu anasema nini? Mimi sija nikuja hapo. Unasajili moja hapo. Nzije? Hawaku bado baserebu. Wewe wacha wewe.
Kote kajo ita protocol.
Nene. Sema nina ufanya myolingo musirikali. Hatubudi munangi. Katobona di. Nauza mulaga. Wawona otya. Nabuka ngombo nyingi. Yo! Manji. Tokana nabona akanyala mujja kwa muziro yali munnyonyi. Leba mujja byasoso tobempali. Yakuba n'abeewaabwe kuru oyo afande oba kye yakola. Kuru.
Hala.
Mama. Enye gwe olupande wanye helicopter. Pagina sipika bija kogogogogo kidi aja jebua.
Mbuti.
Sasa Julia kaya
njagala nnyo kutebaita protocol babodegaadi bawano abakuna daba kuma speaker
obalabye n'obuuza
obala bakola ekintu
batendeke
osigera
abaami bali abasajja mwe batendeke mu Uganda tulina poliisi ey'akabi
olwa speaker badajja ani alina essimu mpa kusimu yo maama ani alina kusimu
tuwe ku ssimu
kaka mpa kusimu ma engoye z'omukolo
leta essimu tojja muloko ojja
endala
ojja muloko twage mukazi w'onyudisi twagala iPhone kiro ki
kakalika mwana Gloria Bugwa mchela kuprogo. Atenga wa mwagala ini. Muli ba Uganda.
Tuwe kusifunga tena. Tuongele kwa hiyo kati.
Daba tabaita protocol.
Abasirikale. Kati sipika ngajja wanenu.
Bazikwata.
Ndafande.
Yes. Kati wali wafanda abera bwatinga gwe boss. Kana witele no na show. Itawe no bujangu ze sipika.
Sipika lingo mumbo gwa mundo mukali.
Kabere ye. Bwe balonda. Jam.
Batraja. Emuka sija
bamugulira.
Anjilina ko gugu kwa mpaka tu. Oyo yasoko kubukamu. Wagenda. I found the suit.
Who is that one? Hey, Aro. Not today. Actually, I told you that you call those people tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, I will have a meeting tomorrow. Oh, yeah. Okay.
I find a suit.
Hello, baby. Yeah. No, I'm busy, but I'll call you back later, okay? Mwah. Kakati omusirikale muli. Kakati boss agala kenda ko kweta uli.
Abagenda.
Ayi bodde kade lusoko kebira yo boss jala.
Ichichu urundi ko papa
gwa fuka kubomu. Kenda yo. After all kubomu.
Aya yasiriza mwana kasoma obusirikale awuliriza.
Ate ko sobola obusirikale.
Nyoko. Kuja afande. So we back afande simu. Wafokeno.
Aro.
Afande simu kana.
Who is that one?
Minister.
Okay.
Nyamutoro.
Already for me.
Huh?
Already for me. Okay, I'm done. Who did the agorasi? Abadegadi siwa.
Minister. Oyo afunde Nyamutoro. Kama amaka feto ko mukolo omupya.
Video twagiraba.
Ngomusika yakakukuba sasi.
Bana musika ateko kubalira.
Ngoba mwaka fanya nyingo ofudde ewamwe. Ayaya. Ewawe.
Kyogera munaye.
God forbid.
Sebo kenzo mukwano gwa. Nama mufana ntwabulaba. Mwebale kwatagana. Mati ekyokulabirako. Abaana abawala muyiga okukwatagana. Mujja osimu ki? Okitegedde?
Era nze mwekyo nayigamu kimu. Era nalaba wiina ne ngamba. Musoza kenzo. Sajja mmekete. Tuli tugamba. Tuli tukyayogera ki ku babodegaadi. Trump bamukube essasi. Yali ayogera gwe Trump ze bodegaadi.
Yeah, Americans, I want to tell you
Bodegaadi abaali awo.
Baleeta essasi.
Alengera essasi nga lijja bodegaadi.
Eryakuba Trump.
Yabuuka.
yes, I want to tell you guys.
N'abaka Trump bw'ata bamusirika essasi lyakwata kutu. Bali abasajja batendeke.
Ate baali omusajja bamukwatirawo.
Bamuta. Ne bamuba amasasi. Naye wano tulina bodegaadi waffe gwe twesiga.
Baakuba pulinsipa essasi ebulindo. Wabirese. Munange. Nane bodegaadi waali.
Baali bonna nga bali bwe bati essasi erikuba principal.
Bagala kubira bodegaadi. Kururu.
Nga yagisimudda. Abantu baagala obulamu. Basole bajjabo.
Mwebale kujja. Twagala obeebaza mwebale kwagira Madrat and
Tugende maaso tugenda mpola mpola.
Ekyamazima.
Tutandika butandisi.
Ekyamazima. Tubaite tukkiriza nti munajja bwe muti. Twagala okwebaza ttiimu.
Ttiimu yaffe.
Anirule.
Ttiimu Anirule.
Abo tebeebaka Anirule. Basula batikuka.
Batikuka.
Afande Siwa.
Hilale.
Salute.
Tubaagala nnyo. Basole nawe speaker waffe. Speaker. Okyaliwo. Woli. Kajubale tupapaki. Basole banyama. Olunaku olwaleero. Lunaku lwaffe. Ate bagenda okwekonya buli kimu. Mutukkirize. Tulina muganda waffe weeri Enduulu. Musajja ye comedian eyasooka okugendako mu Big Brother. Ladies and gentlemen, omusajja ono ndowooza ndi mulodi olikiriya. Bijja ndi mulodi.
Omara
Daniel!
Madrat and Chikko one more time. No, show some more love. You people acting like lunch was a rumor. As if you haven't eaten. How are you? You guys are okay? It's nice to see you all looking sexy. You guys, the women here are beautiful. I was confused when I entered the venue. As they are trying to talk and I was just like, oh. I was losing the plot. But I'm happy to be here. I saw Uncle Mo on stage. You guys know Uncle Mo? Man, the man is famous on YouTube. Uncle Mo is the only mechanic who owns his own car. That guy drives a Mercedes to work, to repair Toyotas. Me, I was confused. I'm like, you came here in a Mercedes to repair a Vitz. I fear that man, you get. How do you park a Mercedes and fix a Toyota? I was like, no, I respect. But I'm happy to be here. As you people know, I'm a very proud man from the north. Do we have any northerners in the building? Not Batoro, no. No, Batoro are not northerners. You guys are too slow for us. You guys kill mosquitoes in slow motion. It's not the same vibe. No, I'm from the north, but I really respect Baganda. I'm one of those northerners who is very proud of Baganda because I've studied the Buganda region and I've realized you guys are very organized. A round of applause for yourselves. You're very organized. Because people, I've been asking myself, what are Baganda doing right that the rest of us are failing at? And I realized it's organization. The Baganda have taught us everything we know, not even in their language. This is what I realized. Do you know that we learned the English alphabet in Luganda? Do you know? We're going to try a simple test. We're going to do the alphabet together, On 3, let's go. A, B, C, D, H, I, J, K. What is L-O-M-O-N? No, what do you mean L-O-M-O-N? What is L-O-M-O-N? L-O-M-O-N is not English. L-O-M-O-N is Luganda. L-O-M-O-N. And you see the plane, L-O-M-O-N. With a lot of energy. But that's why I respect Baganda. They will never leave their language out of anything. They will add their language in everything. One of my favorite activities is going for karaoke night. Who loves karaoke night? You know karaoke, you go and sing. The best people to go for karaoke night with are Baganda. Go with Baganda. You will not regret it. Because Baganda have to add their language in everything. Mbu, nti, kati, wo, we. Wololo. They have to put all those words there. And me, I love it. I live for it. Those are the moments I enjoy. We go for karaoke night with my Baganda friends and we sing slow jams. One of my favorite songs of all time is by Boys to Men. It's called I'll Make Love to You. How many of you know it? You are old. And it's okay. Hey. You're from the days when mobile phones had limited numbers. So the song goes like this. If you know it, sing along. Close your eyes, make a wish, and blow out the candle lights. 'Cause tonight is just your night. We're gonna celebrate all through the night. Now, that is part of the song. That is not Luganda. This is the Luganda remix because Luganda have to add their language. Close your eyes, Kati, make a wish. Nti blow out the candle lights. Wabula tonight is just your night. We're gonna celebrate. Whoa, wait, going through the night. Baganda make me happy. You guys just excite me. I look at you and I'm like, you guys just make me happy. I went to Masaka recently. I'm never going back to Masaka. Because if there's one group of Baganda I fear, it's Baganda from Masaka. Baganda from Masaka don't care. Masaka is the only place I've gone to where I saw a Vitz, a Toyota Vitz, a small car like this. I saw a Vitz with a ladder on the back. Who puts a ladder on a Vitz? You know how small a Vitz is? A Vitz is here. You can step on a Vitz by accident. You can be walking and be like, oh, I'm sorry, I stepped on your car. Someone put a ladder, and the ladder had 2 steps, 1, 2, and it was a Vitz. Proper, painted black with banana leaves on top. Tires of a tractor. People in Masaka don't care. Like you enter the Vitz and it has like 3 different animals inside. On the dashboard there's cow. On the front of the car there's cow. On the front chairs, cheetah. The back chairs, tiger. And the number plate is Wololo. Then they write Too Fast, Too Furious. SAHA. Like you guys, this is what I like about Baganda. You can, when you want to identify Baganda, you respect their king. You say, SAHA, and they say, you guys are not Baganda. We are very few here. Do you know how you find Northerners? You guys know how you find Northerners? Pililing. You're there, and you see. No king, no culture, nothing. Just pililing. Someone shouts yoling. If someone is entering your house at night and you think it's a Northerner, just shout pililing, you get an answer. You found your criminal. The guy is there. I'm a very proud Northerner, by the way. Me, I'm one of those people who says, it doesn't matter what tribe you are, it's okay. We can vibe. We can be friends. We're going to be buddies. But the problem with being friends with Northerners is our language is very brief. It's very short. Our words are short. We don't do long words with these things of, oh, you guys have names like Wobusobozi. Hey, give me, you know those examples of long Uganda names and what? Me, where I come from, or Jock, or Tim, or Kot, or Mara, those are 5 people. 5 different people. When you go to Banyakore, you have those things of Aineviona, what? For us, that is a whole tribe. You have named 10 people in my culture. You have finished my whole family. And we are proud of it. But I'm very hardcore Northern man. I'm so proud of my culture. I think one thing I'm going to do when I buy my second car is going to have the horn. It's going to be in Lao. It's going to be in my language. Instead of doing beep beep, you press the horn. It says Ole Ningo. You have to be gangster. It's like, what is this? It has to be like Ningo. And I'm going to put an alarm on my car that shouts in my language. Because I've realized Baganda know how to shout when they're in trouble. And I've learned from you guys. I've been studying you guys. The word war comes in every different situation. It can be at a wedding, it can be a robbery, it can be a new car, it can be a new house. As long as someone says war, you first have to wait and investigate. And what was that about? What is happening? So what I'm going to do when I buy my next car, the alarm is going to be in my language. When you touch my car, it's not going to be wee, 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 wee. No. You touch my car. It just starts making noise and then I come instead of chop chop, it's Ningo. It has to be gangster, man. But I'm happy to be here today. It's a beautiful time. How many of you went to government school, by the way? UPE students, oh yeah? You're from UPE. Well done. You guys fought for Membe. We are the people who fought for Membe. You guys know Membe. So for the Bazungu who don't know what Membe is the best food in the world. It is the bottom layer of the portion. Someone said rice. We are coming to the rice. We are coming to the Membe rice. Membe is that portion. Primary school, after lunch, you find guys in the saucepan like this, just organizing themselves, trying to get Membe. And then the teacher sees you getting Membe, starts chasing you. But they have to chase you slowly because they also want the Membe. Because if they chase you and you fall down, you both lose. The teacher wants me, he's like, you run slowly. So that I catch you, you give me half and you go. But for me, I have made one thing. You know those things people say, oh,